Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have 2012 Ford Fusion and I will show you the alternator fuse location. This video will apply to Ford Fusions made from 2010 all the way up to 2012. If your alternator is not working, first you'll get a red battery light on the instrument cluster, and the battery will not be charged while the car is running and while you drive, and eventually the battery will get empty and your vehicle will stop. So it's very important to either replace the alternator or figure out what is happening. And the easiest thing to do and first thing you should be doing is check the fuse. If the fuse is good, then you will have to do a bit deeper diagnostics and test the alternator itself. Alternator fuse is located in the main fuse box, which is under the front hood, just next to the vehicle battery, very easy accessible. Now to lift the cover, there is a black tab on the left side. You want to press it and lift up. On the back side of the cover, there is also a small fuse diagram. Alternator fuse is fuse number 17, which is a 10 amp red fuse located right here. Now, if this fuse is good, then the next step you should be doing, you have to test the alternator by using the multimeter. And then if the results are bad, then you'll have to replace the alternator, right? Thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.